Welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we gonna see how to integrate SMS Gateway in WordPress e-commerce website. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. Let's say you have an e-commerce website and you want to send SMS from your e-commerce website to your customers. So whenever they place an order on your e-commerce site or your WooCommerce website, so they need to receive an SMS like the confirmation SMS or else the processing message, so like that. So in order to make this, we need to follow few simple steps to make to integrate this SMS gateway in the WordPress website. So to do this, firstly we need to create an account in SMS Alert website. So let's quickly do it. So this is your SMS Alert website homepage, and here you can find how it looks like. And once you land on to this page, firstly we need to register. So let's click on sign up in order to create an account on SMS Alert, and then you need to fill the details like your username, your full name, your business email ID and your mobile number. And let's quickly fill up this, and we need to check this box that is I agree to SMS alerts terms and non-spam policy. So let's fill the details quickly. And then once you fill all your details, you need to enter the OTP that has been sent to your mobile number that is been provided in the details. So once you enter the OTP here, you can validate the OTP. So once you validate the OTP, you will be successfully registered with the SMS Alert. So now we have successfully created an account in SMS Alert, and now the second step will be we need to connect this account to our website. In order to connect this account to our website, firstly we need to install a plugin in WordPress. So in order to install the plugin, we go to this is our WordPress dashboard. So we go to the WordPress dashboard, and here you need to scroll down until you see the plugin section and click on add new plugin. So here we're gonna install a plugin called as SMS Alert. So by using this plugin, this will help us to connect with the SMS Alert account to the WordPress account that we are handling now. So then let's scroll down and search for the plugin called as SMS Alert, and let's search for it. And here you can find it. So let's click on install now in order to install the plugin. And then once this plugin gets installed, we can activate this plugin on our WordPress. So let's click on activate, and then this plugin has been successfully installed in our WordPress. So in order to connect, we need to log into SMS Alert. So to log in, we go to the WooCommerce section here, and here you can find SMS Alert. Click on it. So here we need to enter our login details, and then as soon as we create our SMS Alert account, we'll receive the login details onto our mail address. So you can go to your mail address, you can log into your mail that you have provided in the details part of the registration in the SMS Alert. Take those credentials, your login details, and you can paste them here. Like your username, you get it in your mail, and your password, you get it in your mail. So just copy paste them, and then click on verify and continue. And then once you give your login credentials or the login details, so your login will be completed, and you will be asked to give this admin SMS to, like it asks you for your phone number. So you need to enter your phone number here in this section, and you can just click on the save changes in order to save all the changes. So then now once you give your mobile number, so where you want to send SMS notifications, so after that now we have successfully connected our SMS Alert account with our website. So now we'll go to the next step, that is to enable the SMS notifications. So firstly we'll see how to enable the customers notifications. So as soon as the customer places the order, they need to get an notification like processing notification, or after the item has been or the product has been delivered, they need to get an completed order completed notification and many notifications. So in order to do this, you just need to go to the WooCommerce, and here you can find SMS alert, and here go to the customer notifications. In this customer notifications, we can manage the notifications to the customers through SMS. So here you can find different kinds of notifications, that is when order is pending payment, and when order is processing, when order is on hold, you can send the notification, or when the order is completed, you can send the notification, and you can even send the notification when order is cancelled, and when order is refunded, and when order is failed. So in this way you can make your make your customer more make your website more trustful, and your customer feel more comfortable with all the notifications through SMS. So you can check the boxes which you feel like which are needed for your website, for your e-commerce website. So let's say I just want to check this when the order is processing, I want my customer to get an SMS notification, and when the order is completed, I want my customer to get an SMS notification, and when the order is refunded, I want my customer to get an email message notification. So once you're all done with the changes and your requirements, click on save changes in order to save all the changes that you have made. And then now um, now let's see how to verify our customers. So let's say a customer is placing an order, and you want to make sure that the order is genuine before processing it, because it will, if the order is not genuine, so it will cost you a lot of time and lot of effort to process the order. So you can do that by sending an OTP. So to enable the OTP, and so you can just go to this again WooCommerce and SMS alert, and here you can find OTP settings here. So then click on the OTP settings, and then here you just need to check this OTP for checkout. Like if you want the OTP at the time of checkout, you can check this box, and then you can even do this, like you can even enable the OTP for selected payment options only. Like for cash on delivery you want to enable the OTP, or for PayPal you want to enable the OTP. It's all up to you. So even you can choose what kind of how to have the OTP pop-up should appear, like it should appear as a pop-up, or it should appear as a button like for your guest checkout. So then, or else you can even choose it like validate from before sending OTP at checkout. So you can do in this way, and you can find this OTP verify button text. So you can give the OTP verify button text, and so it is here like click here to verify your phone. So you can even make it other text also, it's all up to you. And then so as I have told you, you can choose it for OTP for checkout, or for registration you can use the OTP, or for two-factor authentication you can use the OTP. And then as I've already told you that you can show this verify button at the checkout, and once you're all done with the changes, you can just click on save changes. So now let's say you want to notify your customers about the product which is back in stock, like just now we have successfully enabled the OTP notifications, and then once your customers verifies their phone number, they'll be able to place the order on your site. So now we're gonna see how to notify the customers about a product which is back in stock. So when your customer looking for a product and it is not in stock, if they have subscribed to the product, so when the product is back in stock, so you can send your customer notification that your product is back in stock. So in order to do this, we just need to firstly go to the back in stock section, and then check the send message to customer when product is back in stock, and also send message to customer when product is subscribed. So these two options have been enabled, and then you can click on save, and then have to make the a product back in stock. So if you go to the product section, here you can find all your products, like whatever products you have posted on your website. You can find all the products, and here you can find one of the product is out of stock. So to make it again back to the stock, you just click on it, this product, and then you just land onto this kind of page, and just scroll down and go to this inventory section, and here you can update your stock. So then you can go to back in stock option in the SMS alert plugin, and you can just check this too, and then your customers will get notifications when the product is back in stock. And then now let's say if you want to get notifications regarding the orders that are being made by the customers, so you can go to the admin notifications and the SMS alert in the WooCommerce, and here uh, you can check the boxes according to your requirement. Like you can get the notifications when the order is pending payment, and when the order is processing. You can get a notification when order is on hold, when order is completed, when order is cancelled, and when the order is refunded, when order is failed, when the new user gets registered, and when the product is in low stock, you get a notification to make it back to stock, and when the product is out of stock, you get a notification. So according to your requirement, you can make changes to this notifications alerts also. Like you can for suppose I just want my notifications when the order is processing, and when the order is completed, and when the order is refunded. So once you have made all the changes, you can click on save changes in order to save all the changes, and then you are done. So when your customer places an order, you will start receiving SMS on your mobile number, and you can start processing the order. So then when you go back to this SMS alert website, and here you can find that you have 5 credits at initially you have 5 credits. So so that which means that you can you can use up to 5 credits for your SMS alerts, and you can even recharge it by just clicking on the buy SMS. So click on the buy SMS, and you will see something like this. So your minimum credits to be added are 5,000 credits. So you can recharge it, and you can use it for your e-commerce website in order to send SMS notifications to your customers and to you about regarding all the important things happening in your e-commerce website. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.